I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to delete downloaded movies and TV shows from the Paramount Plus app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. Step 1. Open the Paramount Plus app and then tap the profile icon in the menu along the bottom of the screen. Step 2. Tap Downloads. A list of the Paramount Plus shows and movies you've downloaded is displayed. Step 3. If you want to delete a downloaded movie, just swipe from right to left across that movie to reveal an X and then tap that X. A menu opens asking if you're sure you want to delete this movie. Tap Yes, Delete Download. That movie will be deleted. Alternatively, if you want to delete a TV show, tap that show in this list. You'll see a list of all of the episodes of that specific show that you've downloaded on this device. Swipe from right to left across any shows you want to delete to reveal an X and then tap that X. A menu opens asking if you're sure you want to delete this episode. Tap Yes, Delete Download. That episode will be deleted. Repeat this process for any other downloaded episodes you want to delete. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.